Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Red Skull from Infinity War. We're going to get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over to the left side and draw on the brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve in and then down. Then leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So lining up the inside edge, we'll curve up and then out. From the inside, I want to curl this in and then up in the middle. Starting left, we're just going to round this out and go up in the center. Go from the center, we're going to curve down and over towards the right. Now we're going to step up and just draw the top edge of the brow. We're going to round out the side of the brow. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve out and pull that in. Now from the top, I just want to curve up and out, just a little curve on the outside. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down, and we're going to pull that up. Do the same thing on the right side. On the left side of each eye, I'm going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And then in the center of the eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupil. We'll fill that in black. Let's go in and add the eye socket. From the corner of the brow, we're going to curve in. We'll pull that down. I'm going to pull this up in towards the inside of the brow. Curving up and in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now in between the eyes in the middle, we're going to draw the nose. Starting with a point, we're going to curve out and down toward the left. Go back to the center, go out and down towards the right. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve going up and then back down. In the center of the nose, we're going to draw a short line going up. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. So I'm going to start on the left side, we're going to curve up in the middle and back down on the right. We're going to connect these 2 points with a slight curve going across. Now we're going to add in the teeth. Starting on the left, curve down and then up. And then on the ends, we're going to step in and draw an angled line going down and out. Let's fill in the corners of the mouth in black. Now on the outside of the corner of the mouth, I just want to draw a small bracket for a wrinkle. And then going up, just beside the nose, we're going to draw another curve, going out and then down. Now let's move out and draw the cheeks. We're going to move to the left, we're going to curve out, and we're just going to pull that in. Do the same thing on the right. So let's line this up, curving out, and pull that in. Now we're going to step out and draw on the bottom of the chin. Stepping out here, curve down just underneath the mouth, and we'll work our way over towards the right side. And then from the inside of the cheek, starting on the left, I'm going to curve down and then in. Now let's go in and draw on the top of the head. Starting from the top of the cheek, it's almost like drawing a large circle. Going out, around the eye, pull this up in the middle, and then pull that in towards the cheek on the right side. Now we're going to add 2 small ears on either side. From the top of the cheek, we'll step up, curve out, and then in. We're going to draw a curve on the inside of the ear. So from the top, we'll step down, curve in behind the cheek. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start to the outside underneath the head. We're going to curve down and in towards the waist. Pull that into right about there. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve, coming down in the middle and back up on the right. We're going to come straight down on either side. Now let's connect these 2 points with another curve for the bottom of the belt. We're going to add a large buckle in the center. So leaving a gap in the middle, draw a line on the left and then the right. And then in the center, I'm going to draw a circle. Let's add the inside of the strap. So I'm going to take this curve, step in, just duplicate that. Coming down and in towards the top of the belt. Let's add 2 rivets along the bottom. So on the left side, we're going to draw 1 circle. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's move up and draw the same thing. So we'll line this up on the right side. Now we're going to draw in the collar. Starting inside, we're going to curve down and over towards the left. We're going to step down and curve in the opposite direction, going across the chest. Now in the center, we're going to curve up towards the left. Let's add in the collar. So from the center, underneath the chin, we're going to angle down and out toward the left and right. Now I'm just going to trim this out on the outside, just coming up. And then in the center, between the collar, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Let's add a strap going across the body. So from the bottom of the collar, we're going to angle down and over towards the left. We'll step out, draw that same angle line. Now we're going to add a small buckle. Draw 2 lines. Let's continue working down with the side of the coat. From the bottom corner of the belt, we're going to curve out and then down. Go to the right side and we'll do the same thing. Now from here, we're going to draw a short curve coming down and in. And on this side, we want to curve down in towards the middle. So let's start in the center, curve out, and then up. From this side, I'm going to follow that same curve, going up underneath the belt. And then from this point, we're going to curve up underneath this line, tucking that in underneath. Let's add the straps on the side of the hip. From the bottom corner of the belt, we're going to curve in, round it out, and then just pull that back out. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add 2 rivets on the inside, 1 circle on the left, and then the right. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the cloak. So leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, curve out and then down. And we'll move over towards the right, down towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Now from the toe, I'm going to curve the top of the foot aiming towards the heel. But we're going to stop right about there. Let's thicken up the sole. Taking this curve and just duplicating that. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to draw an angled line aiming towards the hip, going underneath the coat. And then on the left side, we're going to step up. Starting on the inside, we'll curve in for the top of the boot. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. I'm going to have the arms folded in behind the body. So from the top of the strap, we're going to step down, curve out, and then down towards the elbow. We'll do the same thing on the right side to the same height. Now we're going to curve in behind the body, just underneath the belt. Let's draw the upper part of the arm. So stepping up, we're going to curve over, aiming towards the elbow on both sides. Let's add the edge of the glove. So from the hip, we're going to step out, curve up, and then in. Now one final thing, we're just going to add a trim on the upper shoulder, curving out and then down to the outside of the arm on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Red Skull from Infinity War. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.